but we're going to work with what we have and we're going to create a soft and impactful makeup look. As my model has more pink and redness in her skin, I'm not using any dark concealer. I could use a green concealer, but I prefer using something that is more natural to skin tone so that when we blend it, it gives us a softer finish. I'm using this beautiful hourglass vanish stick. It's blending super well into the skin. As you can see, the face is fairly pink as compared to the foundation, but we will even that out as we move forward. For contouring, I've used a more orange shade. This is Fenty Beauty's contour stick in almond. And then I'm using a pink cream blush so that the face gets more color, looks more flushed out, and just generally gives a more girly effect. And to secure our eyeshadow in place, I've used an eye base. And I'm starting by using a little bit of an orange brown shade as a transition, which goes really well with blue. And now I'm adding a little bit of blue, which is blending really well. I'm keeping it soft, not making any graphic lines on the eyes. My model has little bit light eyebrow color, so I'm not using a very dark brown. I've used a more reddish brown so that her eyebrows don't look too stark and out of place on her face. Instead of finishing with a winged eyeliner, I'm just finishing with the blended effect of a winged eyeliner after applying the lashes. And now I'm using a pink lipstick, which I'm blending nicely into the lips. I mixed two shades of pink. One was slightly bright and one was more nude. Now I'm using the highlighter for natural glow, nothing too heavy. And we're locking the makeup so there is no movement and it stays for hours throughout the bridal day or night. So this is the finished look and I'm really liking how it turned out. The eyes are blending really well with the outfit. And we can see that the eyebrows and her hair color is going well together. It's not looking out of place or too dark. And I like how the lip color is blending well with this blue as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again on the next video with a new look and new techniques. Thank you so much for watching.